What is up, guys? Welcome to this video. This video is going to be a whole training. I put together some serious value for you here about how to make money with Exoclick as a traffic source to scale your OnlyFans and also your AI models, your AI business, selling content at scale, or doing affiliate marketing. This applies to everything. This is going to be a super valuable, condensed, high-value video, so get ready. Hell yeah. So I've been running with Exoclick for a while now. I also leverage the other traffic sources. I'll have more tutorials coming out here soon. I'll probably have the most tutorials out of anyone on the planet. So this is going to be valuable information. Let's get into it. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, so the complete guide to profitable creator growth, and I'm not going to read everything word for word. You can go through and look at everything for yourself. I'm just going to share value based on each slide here. Okay, so the complete guide here, so understanding the business model. So at the end of the day, you're just spending money as an advertiser to make a profit. And if the profit is you put in $1 and make $1.10 back, that's great. You can scale that for real. Anyone would want to do that forever. But the thing is, the goal is to get home runs, and that's what we're looking for here when we're doing this. Like, home runs is the goal. So you basically make a campaign, then you have the publisher inventory, then you have ad impressions, and then you get clicks, and then you have the landing page subscriptions, the pay-per-view, the recurring, everything like that. Some placements, an impression is literally a click, like pop under ads. Now, pop under ads are some of the best types of ad placements for literally testing your offers really fast. You don't need to make ads really at all. You just make a campaign and you send clicks and you see what happens, and you get data very fast. That's some of the best ways to start testing any affiliate offer. You could test your models fast. You can send traffic to webcam, live streaming if you want. You can send traffic to your direct pages or to your Instagram. There's a lot of ways to go about this. Now, there's secrets I'm going to leave out of this video. You can get mentorship if you want. To learn the advanced stuff that can really take you from zero to hero. But for this, we're going to share just a ton regardless. So here we go. And what's cool is you're getting in front of the exact people, and for hyper cheap, like cents on cents on cents on the dollar. Like, compared to any other platform, this is the cheapest you get. You get legit impressions. You get in front of people who will eventually buy if the stuff you're selling is really good. That's what it's all about. You got to sell good stuff and you will print. Also, if you have an agency, it's really good to move forward with your best models. Sometimes it's just one model, but with paid ads, you can scale to the moon with freaking just your best model. But if you try to scale all your models with paid ads, good luck, because there's always going to be the 80-20 rule. There's the 20% that outperforms the 80% or makes you 80% of the money. So that's super key to understand here. The Creator Accelerator Playbook, the Positioning to Profits Playbook, baby. You do have to have an irresistible offer. At the end of the day, good luck marketing something that doesn't get a high conversion rate. It's critical to get a high conversion rate. So make sure you have your offer locked in, you make sure your pricing's locked in, the bonuses, hopefully there's bonuses, hopefully you have something about the model or whatever you're selling that stands out. That's critical. So you better make a no-brainer offer, and this is a bunch of advice around doing that. And I put together these infographics for you, combining a ton of information, so I'm sure you're going to get a lot of value from this. You got to read through it and everything, but yeah. So the high converting funnel playbook, at the end of the day, you want to optimize everything about your sales pages, of course. Now, the main thing I want to talk about for this slide is basically direct linking versus doing a pre-lander. Now, pre-landers are super good to do because they can amplify desire, they can amplify conversion rates and persuasion and everything. But you have to know what you're doing, and you have to know human psychology. You have to know the 25 biases that you can stack for the Lollapalooza effect. That makes it a no-brainer for people to decide to convert. And this applies to every industry, including your models, baby. So, yeah. And if you direct link, yeah, you can have it optimized. Yeah, it can make sense. But at the end of the day, if you know how to make a high-converting pre-sale page, and by the way, you can even amplify how it looks with AI nowadays. It can basically take the code, look at what it looks like, and just amplify everything about it. You can add animations, you can do high-level effects on your site, everything you want to do to make it really stand out and hook their attention a bit longer so they stick around. You also should have a really high-end video sales letter, a video that sells them on the model or on the offer you're doing. And it can be as long as you want. It needs to get across what's the pricing, what are they getting, what's the value here, and that is priceless. Now make sure it loads fast. That's another key critical component here. Now, the anatomy of an Exoclick campaign. So basically, there's a lot of things at play here. I recommend with it for everyone when you're testing. You can go broad, but it's best to test with quality traffic, especially the countries. So you can just target tier 1 countries. You can target quality devices. The best type of device is obviously a desktop or a laptop, stuff like that. And mobile does convert for sure. It's good for split testing, but at the end of the day, you want to split test with the best quality stuff. You also want to use a tracker. You want to target the best quality stuff and then use a tracker and track what's leading to conversions. Now, when you're very profitable, you can basically go broad with everything. You can enter into new placements, different traffic sources, and just start scaling everything up. Spending money to make money at the end of the day. Spending money to scale something that works is powerful. And by the way, my best clients are people that already are making money By the way, I can help any beginner. I've got a course for that, and you can get everything I offer over the years for only $300 currently, but the price changes over time. People paid way more for even individual courses there. But if you want everything to do with the adult industry that I know, and I know a lot how to make money with it, you can get it. You can check out that in the school community or whatever. There's links down below. But if you're already making a ton of money, I can seriously help you make way more. If you're in momentum, it's easy just to give you even like a few gold nuggets, but I give you everything. And you can just scale way further, because I promise there are things you're missing that you don't know. This is just an extra income stream for me to teach what I know, what took me years to learn and tons of money to learn and experience, and I'm just giving it to you when you become a client. So for this is the Creator Advertising Bible Advanced Strategy Playbook. So to create a winning ad, there's a lot of variables here. I really think the personality of the model, if we're talking about the model here, and this video is specific for OnlyFans, but it can also apply to fan view, OnlyFans management, and everything like that in agencies. Yeah, I think the personality of the model matters big time, but obviously the looks. But the personality creates connection. So a video ad is so important. And by the way, if you do organic content marketing, maybe with Instagram or something, you have your best content proven organically. You can take all that, combine it for a super ad, and do split tests on different ads and variations. You're using their best of the best of the best stuff. You'll crush it. Now, if someone's making millions a month with OF watching this right now, I could scale you to the moon with paid advertising. Are you kidding me? You're already proven to make it past the threshold with free traffic. Get ready when you go with paid, because that's when you just make an extra way more. It just depends, but you will make way more profits and just grow your business like insane. Entertainment for sure matters. Like, good luck trying to be boring and making money with an entertainment business, basically. The visual components matter, but yeah, you just gotta stand out. You gotta be hard to copy. And now with AI, you better align yourself with AI. You can make AI effects, and I help with this. Like, you can make AI effects that literally will stand out better than any type of ad out there. It hooks attention better than anything. There's thousands of effects to leverage. I know all the best ones you can leverage, which right there is priceless. And then you can just scale to the moon. Scale to the moon, okay? Now the next thing to mention here, and by the way, you gotta pause and read slides and everything as I'm talking over this. So the paid traffic strategy testing playbook. So when you're testing, at the end of the day, here's the phases I recommend, and you can read all this. But the phases when you're testing, it requires, first you're testing the scripts, okay? Sometimes it's not scripts, sometimes it's just audio you already have. You're leveraging proven content of the model talking or doing whatever she's doing, and you just test those. But typically I recommend having a high converting script or multiple, up to 10. And you're testing to find the best of best script, and then the visuals are the same throughout everything. Once you know your best script, then you go to testing the visuals with the best script. So maybe 10 different ads, different visuals, but the same script. Once you know your best of the best visuals plus script, so you start split testing the hook. So the first 3 seconds or 5 seconds. I recommend the first 3 seconds. Video ads with adult, it's all below 30 seconds. It has to all be below 30 seconds. I recommend between 25 to 30 seconds. After you know your best hook and everything, you can keep split testing forever. But then it just reaches the point where you're just doing micro improvements. Like, you're testing even music, you're testing even more hooks if you want, you're testing more visuals and changes in visuals to get improvements there. You're testing everything. You're testing call to actions, you're testing tons of variations every time you launch a new round of doing a campaign. And when you have the best of the best ad, this is when things get really crazy, okay? You can go to audience owners, okay? Maybe other OF audience owners or Telegram channels or X accounts or Reddit accounts. You reach out to people who have traffic, and then you're leveraging your best ad. You go direct to them, and you literally can print huge spikes of amounts of money. Like, it's insane. But then you're also scaling to more traffic sources and networks, and there's billions of impressions per day you can get in front of. It's just endless scalability. When you're doing banner ads and even pop-under ads at this point, you want to just use it for retargeting people who have hit your sales page or pre-sale page. That just lets you follow up with people for cheap, and it turns into money for real. So the complete creator, paid traffic tracking, architecture, unlocking profitable scaling. So when you're ready to scale, you gotta have cash flow. Like, you gotta have some legit cash flow. You better not be below $1,000 if you want to do paid ads, or even below $5,000 if you want to do paid ads. You just won't take risks. You won't be comfortable even doing testing phases, which is just below $50 a day, which it can be higher than that for sure. If you want more data and accurate, super accurate data, you can do $100 or more a day when you're doing testing phases. But when you're scaling, you want to reach the point where you can do 100 a day, 500 a day, 1,000 a day, and then 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 and above when you're scaling. And the coolest thing about this is OF models can't really be copied. They can be copied with AI copycats in a way, but it's not the same. So you have a moat around what you're scaling. Like in affiliate marketing, if you're promoting affiliate offers as an affiliate, you can scale a campaign, but you better scale it fast because affiliates have spy tools and they're going to copy you quick. Unless you have competitive advantages that make you stand out and be different, you're screwed otherwise. So that's very critical to understand. The next thing is the optimization playbook. Now in optimization, it's just about like improving, amplifying, and increasing the success rate and the variables of everything. So the ads, your campaigns, your sales pages, your offers, your back-end fulfillment, and the actual product you're selling, everything like that, like it matters. And then monetizing in more ways. Like you can do affiliate marketing. If you're an OF creator, you can do affiliate marketing and recommend affiliate offers that convert to your audience that supports you. You know, they will go convert on other stuff as well. And you got to understand how to cross-sell, upsell, downsell, have high ticket in the back end. Like there's extreme ways you can monetize. The adult industry with OF, it's basically like personal branding, but its own thing. And there's serious money here for real. And in the future, like personal brands will print forever and it's just going to get crazier and crazier. So advanced campaign scaling frameworks. So vertical scaling is just basically you increase your budget, but horizontals, you're scaling across more creatives, more placements, more platforms, everything. By the way, also with my clients, I give them like free traffic sources that most people don't know about. Not the mainstream ones. I'm talking like ones that add serious extra passive clicks and just more revenue overall and profits overall just by leveraging these free traffic sources. So you can learn that in the course, or you can learn that by one-on-one with me, which I share very advanced advice in the one-on-one stuff, personalized to who I work with. By the way, with who I work with, it's upfront fee typically, and then as I help you scale, then I decide whether or not to do a partnership where I actually go in and I do way more done-for-you services, marketing, making ads for you, running campaigns. We do a partnership, a rev deal that works, like a rev share deal that works for both of us, and that's when things get even more crazy. So yeah, you want to basically have a campaign that, you know, doesn't break at scale. You want to have creatives that work and convert like crazy, and then geographic expansion, like you want to be able to enter into new countries and even potentially have to translate the language and everything to other countries and stuff. Next thing to mention here is the subscriber life cycle. You can look at that, and I mean, it matters to keep people recurring and not churning out, and it also matters lifetime value and upsells. Next thing to mention is the elite creator marketing compliance and risk playbook. Just make sure you're compliant, you follow the laws and everything like that. You can look over that. The Exoclick to OnlyFans business system and strategic blueprint. And you can look over this slide once again, but the best thing to mention here is have a strategy. Have a strategy, how to scale, how to win. If you want consulting with me, I help you with that, obviously, like crazy, for all areas of your whole business. Advanced digital marketing playbook, optimizing. You want to optimize everything. Like you're sending 1,000 clicks, 10,000 clicks, you want to know the numbers for every step of that conversion process. And that's why tracking is so critical, because you're leaving a lot of money on the table if you don't track. So it really is important and critical to track. I mean, you can look over this, and when you're doing the paid ads, I typically optimize around CPM, not clicks, but I look at obviously what the cost per click is and the click-through rate and everything. But when you're setting up most campaigns with these whole adult traffic sources and everything, it's CPM you're typically going for. Digital marketing strategic guide to conversion and profits, break even into profit. Here's the thing I want to mention here real quick, because I just was saying, like, you read through all this, I'm just going to share my thoughts as I go through this. At the end of the day, if you can break even when you're running the ads, or even close to break even, you won. Because you can obviously have extra revenue and long-term LTVs that pay off maybe as a delay, but it's going to be profitable no matter what. So that's why paid advertising is so powerful. By the way, it's a tax write-off at the end of the day too, like advertising. So you're just growing things exponentially and fast and accelerating everything. It's a big deal. And so that was the last slide. Hopefully you screenshotted stuff, take notes, share this with your other marketer friends in this whole industry, and check out links down below. If you want to work with me, get in contact with me, and I can literally help you scale everything. Thanks so much, and peace.